One of the most often asked questions is what happens to a family member's stuff when they pass away? And the answer to that depends upon the level of planning or the extent of the planning that the loved one did prior to their passing. If they did no planning and they have real estate, then that estate will have to go through probate. They will have to open up a probate estate, have somebody sworn in, and go through the multiple steps that probate process entails. If the loved one has a particular asset and it's jointly owned, then upon their death, the surviving owner gets it by operation of law. And honestly, nothing really happens other than there being an inheritance tax that is likely going to be paid. If a loved one passes away and they have a trust, then whatever is in that trust will have to go through the process of trust administration. And essentially that process is whereby the assets that are in the trust basically are distributed to the beneficiaries of the trust, and then the inheritance tax is paid as part of that process, and then the process concludes and the family will go on with their lives. So insofar as what happens to stuff, it really depends upon the level of planning that the loved one did prior to their death as to what the process will be like, what the result will be like, and what the family needs to go through.